Hey there, aquatic plant lovers. Today we're diving deep into a world that's sure to make waves in your holiday gift-giving game. Imagine unwrapping a present and finding a whole ecosystem inside. That is the magic of aquatic plants. Now, I know what you're thinking. Megan, aquarium plants as gifts, isn't that a little bit weird? But trust me, these aren't your average plants. We're talking about lush, vibrant underwater wonders that'll transform any aquarium from meh to marvelous. Whether you're shopping for a newbie or a seasoned aquarist, I've got the perfect leafy companion for everyone on your list. These plants aren't just pretty to look at, they're living, growing gifts that keep on giving long after the holidays are over. In this video, we're going to explore 7 amazing aquatic plants, each perfect for a different type of plant parent or aquarium enthusiast. From the easiest to care for varieties for newbies to rare specimens for the collectors, I've got something for everyone. I will break down everything you need to know, scientific names, because we fancy like that, care requirements, and even some fun facts to impress your friends at holiday parties. And as always, I will leave my sources linked below so that you can double check my work, because we all learn best when we learn together. But first, let me introduce myself. I'm Megan, and plants are my jam. When I'm not writing about gardening or house plant trends for House Digest, I am probably elbow deep in potting soil or willing my latest leaf cutting to sprout roots. And let me tell you, my love for plants doesn't stop at the water's edge. I love aquatic plants, and I find them absolutely fascinating because honestly, who doesn't love finding new places to put plants? So let's kick things off with a plant that's perfect for someone just dipping their toes into the world of aquariums. Meet Anubias varnana, or the Anubias Nana. This cutie hails from West Africa and is about as chill a plant as it can get. In the wild, these guys can live for decades and grow up to 7 to 8 inches tall. In your aquarium though, they'll usually stay nice and compact, probably not exceeding more than 6 inches. It's the perfect little plant package. When it comes to choosing a plant for beginners, Anubias Nana, to me, is the ultimate choice. It is suitable for tanks as small as 5 gallons, making it perfect for starter aquariums. You can place it anywhere you like because it'll most likely be attached to driftwood or rocks. But Anubias Nana really is not picky. It thrives in low to moderate light, so you won't need any fancy equipment. The ideal temperature range for this plant is between 72 to 82 degrees, matching well with most tropical fish tanks. Fertilizing this is optional, as this laid-back plant is content really without much fuss. And fun fact, Anubias Nana is so hardy, it can even grow above water. It's just super awesome and adaptable. This might be a bit of a troll, or let's call it a little push for your friend who's got a sad little betta and a sad little bull just swimming in circles. It is time for an upgrade, and got the perfect plant. Madagascar Lace Plant is here to help nudge that betta parent in the right direction. This stunning plant is native to, you guessed it, Madagascar. In an aquarium, it'll usually top out about 24 inches, making it an incredible showstopper. It's one of my favorite plants. If your betta-loving friend is looking into aquatic holiday plants, it's essential to know that the minimum tank size should be at least 10 gallons. So it's time to move away from that tiny bowl. This plant thrives when placed in the background or midground of a tank. It requires moderate to high light, reflecting its somewhat diva-like nature, but who isn't a little bit diva when you look like that? The ideal temperature ranges from 72 to 82 degrees Fahrenheit, making it perfect for tropical fish. Additionally, be sure to provide some nutrients, as this plant absolutely appreciates fertilizing. I really like using Thrive shrimp formula because it's safe for shrimp, snails, loaches, everybody that doesn't have a hard shell. And fun fact, the Madagascar lace plant gets its name from its intricate lace-like leaves. It's like nature's doily. For the friend of an office aquarium, may I present the Java fern. This versatile plant is native to Southeast Asia and is tougher than that one coworker who never seems to take a sick day, but not as annoying. In nature, Java ferns can grow up to 13 inches tall and live for many years. In an aquarium, they usually stay around 6 to 12 inches, making them perfect for that desktop tank. Java fern stands out as the perfect office plant due to its adaptability and minimal maintenance requirements. It thrives in small spaces with a minimum tank size of just 5 gallons, making it ideal for tight office environments. Whether you choose to attach it to driftwood or rocks, the Java fern remains unfussy about placement, but it does need to stay out of the substrate. Its rhizomes won't make it if they're planted deep down in the sand or gravel. It's also well suited for low to moderate light conditions, flourishing even under harsh office fluorescence. Its temperature tolerance ranges from about 68 to 82 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing it to withstand chilly blasts of the Monday morning air conditioning. While fertilizing isn't necessary, adding a dash of liquid fertilizer every now and then can be beneficial. And fun fact, the Java fern reproduces by growing tiny plantlets on its leaves. So if you see a leaf with little bumps, those are just little babies coming out. It's like the plant version of bring your kid to work day every day. We all have that friend who can't seem to remember to clean their aquariums. For them, and me, I present Amazon frogbit. This floating plant is like nature's own water purifier and is a popular choice for breeding tanks as it provides cover for fry. Native to Central and South America, Amazon frogbit can form large mats on the water surface in the wild. In an aquarium, it'll spread to cover the top of the tank, creating a beautiful naturalistic look. For the forgetful fish keeper, Amazon frogbit is an ideal choice due to its low maintenance nature. It can thrive in any tank since it floats and doesn't require much space. Positioned on the water surface, it resembles basically like a tiny raft within your aquarium. This plant flourishes under moderate to high light conditions, eagerly soaking up the rays. With a flexible temperature range of 64 to 84 degrees Fahrenheit, it adapts well to various environments. Additionally, fertilizing is unnecessary as the plant derives most of its nutrients from fish waste. Fun fact, Amazon frogbit is excellent at removing excess nutrients from the water, which can help prevent algae growth. It's like having a live-in maid for your aquarium. For the plant collector who thinks they've seen it all, allow me to introduce you to Hygrophila pink chai. This rare beauty is a cultivar that's relatively new to the aquarium hobby and is sure to make any plant nerd's heart skip a beat. In an aquarium, Hygrophila pink chai can grow up to 12 inches tall, creating a stunning pink backdrop for your underwater world. For your friend who loves rare houseplants, here's what they need to know. The minimum tank size is 10 gallons, allowing the plant enough room to flourish. It should be placed in the background or mid-ground of the tank to truly shine and ensure the plant receives moderate to high light for more vibrant colors. Maintain a temperature between 72 to 82 degrees Fahrenheit, reminiscent of the tropical climates for Hygrophila. Regular fertilizing is essential to help the plant maintain its stunning colors. And fun fact, the pink chai in its name comes from its beautiful pink leaves, which can range from a soft blush to a vivid magenta, depending on the lighting conditions. It's like having a mood ring in your aquarium. For the friend who loves a colorful aquarium aesthetic, the red tiger lotus, in my opinion, is a must-have. This stunning plant is native to West Africa and will add a pop of color that'll make their tank the talk of the town. In the wild, these beauties can grow up to 20 inches tall and spread several feet wide, but in an aquarium, it's interesting because most sources say they'll go about 12 to 15 inches tall, but really they can grow as big as you let them because they will often send up stems to the water line for its leaves to float on. To keep a red tiger lotus thriving, ensure a minimum tank size of 20 gallons as this plant loves to make a statement. Placement should be mid-ground to background due to the potential to send the leaves up to the surface if given the right conditions. Provide moderate to high light to achieve the most vibrant colors and maintain a temperature range of 72 to 82 degrees Fahrenheit, which, ideal for tropical setups. And lastly, fertilizing is crucial. Root tabs are particularly beneficial for this heavy feeder. And fun fact, the red tiger lotus can produce beautiful flowers that bloom above the water surface and can produce both submerged and floating leaves, allowing aquarists to create completely different modular aquascapes. Modular? I don't know. Modular felt right in my heart. Last but not least, we have the Japan clover. This versatile little plant is perfect for the friend who's already got a thriving aquarium, but could use just one more little touch of green. In nature, Japan clover grows along the margins of streams and ponds in East Asia and Australia. In an aquarium, it usually stays under 2 inches tall, but the reason people love it so much is because it can spread wide to create a beautiful, lush carpet on the substrate. Japan clover is the perfect finishing touch for the aquatic setup because this adaptable plant suits any tank size, ensuring it can fit anywhere effortlessly. You can place it in either the foreground or the midground, and it even works well as a floating plant. It thrives under moderate to high light conditions, with more light encouraging denser growth. With a temperature tolerance between 68 to 82 degrees Fahrenheit, it's quite versatile. And while it does appreciate regular fertilization, Japan clover is not really that demanding, making it an ideal choice for both novice and experienced aquarium enthusiasts. And fun fact, Japan clover can act both as a water filter and a smorgasbord because it collects food particles that fish miss, making it really great for bottom feeders like loaches. So there you have it. Remember, when you give an aquatic plant, you're not just giving a pretty addition to a tank. You're giving a living, growing piece of nature that will continue to bring joy and beauty for months and even years to come. These plants help create healthier aquarium environments, reduce stress for fish, and bring a little piece of the natural world into our homes. I hope this video has inspired you to consider aquatic plants for your holiday gift giving, or maybe as a little treat for yourself. No judgment here. If you've enjoyed diving into the world of aquatic plants with me, why not make it a regular thing? Hit subscribe and join my community of plant nerds and aquarium enthusiasts. Stay tuned for more planty goodness, and hey, if you have any questions about those plants or aquariums in general, drop them in the comments below. I'll do my best to help you out, or maybe we can all learn something new together. After all, that's what being a plant nerd's all about. Always growing and learning. Thanks for watching, and remember, life's better with a little green, even if it's underwater, except if it's algae. Until next time, happy planting and happy holidays.